Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video. Hope you all are doing great this winter. So आज आप लोग के लिए लेके आए हैं हम लोग एक बहुत ही शानदार product. Today's product is a fantabulous product, guys. So today's product that we are going to show you is a must-have for anyone who's owning a cycle, a bike, a car, anything as sort of like that. Because this product will go ahead and take away all your tensions if you're going in for any kind of long drives, if you're going in for a drive during the night time. So it's a must have product, and it will really help you at times of your needs. So today guys, we have with us, as you can see, a product from the brand of Portronics. So this is a portable tire inflator, guys. Yes, so this is from the brand of Portronics. The model number is mentioned over here, Vayu 2. Okay, so there is an upgraded version which is the Portronics Vayu 3 tire inflator, but I still went for this version which is the Vayu 2 edition. Why? Yeah, for that, stay tuned in the video, guys. Don't skip any part, watch the full video, and I will tell you why you should get this version and not the latest version, why this is a better deal than getting that one. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel as of yet, do subscribe to our channel. Let's review with Krish. Pause the video and subscribe it right away. I'll wait for you. You've done it. Thank you. You can also follow us, guys, on our social media handle. As you can see, it's mentioned over here. Any queries, any doubts, any questions you have, you can reach out to me. You can leave a comment below in the link. You can ping us. You can DM us on our social media pages or handles as well. Now with that, guys, let us quickly go ahead and unbox this product and let us see whether this is a value for money product or not. Again, guys, this is a non-sponsored video, so this product I have purchased it for myself. I will be using it for my daily use, and rather I have been using it as well. So why Portronics Vayu 2? Why not Agado? Why not the other Cubo or the upgraded version of Portronics Vayu 3? Watch the full video, you will get to see. Here is the unboxing for you guys. So as you can see, guys, this is the full packaging. This is the normal packaging, how it comes with, guys. This product comes with 1 year of brand warranty, and this product has a MRP of, let me see, what is the MRP of 5,000. Now can you guess at what price did I got it, guys? I have purchased it from Amazon. Currently I see the price is around the range of 1,999, less than 2,000. So I have purchased it from Amazon, and it had costed me 1899. So here it is, guys. Watch the full unboxing. Okay guys, so this is how the product looks like. As I have told you, this is the Vayu Portronics Vayu rechargeable tire inflator. You have, it's a 1 year warranty. You can see the product MRP is 5,000, but from Amazon I have got it at a price of 1,899. Now it's currently available at 1,899. Now let us quickly unbox the product, guys. So let us see what are the things that we're receiving in the product. So this is how it's looking like, guys. Let me take out the things one by one. Okay, this is the portable tire inflator, guys, that you can see over here. It's quite heavy. Okay, now let me just keep this aside for a moment. Let me see what are the things that we're receiving inside this. Okay, first we have got an instruction manual, as you can see, from Portronics. Then let me see what else. Okay, so we have received a USB A to USB C cable that is here, and I can see the length of the cable is also quite good. The length is not bad. Let me keep this aside. Yeah, the length is, it's quite big length cable. As you can see, it's USB C to USB A cable. Okay, let me keep this aside. What else is there? Okay, I have received the warranty card of Portronics. This is it. Now also, guys, I have also received a different connector, the tire inflator connectors. So this you can see guys, which they have given is if you're inflating any football or any basketball, volleyball, you need this. This is for scooty, cars. They have given all the different mouthpieces that you need to connect in the main connector while tire. Now this is the main wire guys. So this end that you can see needs to be connected in your tire. You can see a screw type of a thing, and this end which will get fitted inside your main unit, which is the Portronics portable inflator. You connect it over here, and if you're doing it in a bike, you don't need to put it over here. If it's a car, at some of the tire variants of the car this will work. If not, if you're using a bicycle, scooty, then you have to use any of these inflators given over here, inflator connectors. If it's a football, you just need to connect this over here and you're good to go. So I'll just show you how to connect this. You just take this, you see this is a type C charging port they are given, which is a very good thing. It's upgraded. Now here is this end. I'll connect it over here. As you can see, I've connected over here and it's connected. See, this is how it looks like. Now this is a torch kind of a thing guys. I'll show you the demo in a minute. Now see, as you can see, these are soft cushion type of buttons which they have given over here. Here's a Portronic branding. Now this inflator guys has 6 lithium batteries inside it, and it has a capacity of 6000 mAh. Again I repeat, 6000 mAh. So this is the reason guys why I have gone for Vayu 2, even though there is an updated variant which is the Vayu 3, but still I've chosen to go with this variant, and not because that is 4000 mAh capacity, this is 3000 mAh capacity. Now guys, another thing, see at the bottom end you have this rubber stoppers so that you can make it stand like this, and it will not wobble down. It creates a friction. It's good thing. Now how to turn it on guys? All you need to do is you need to press this power button. Once we keep it pressed hold, see this has come up. Now the best thing guys, you have different modes over here. So this digital tire inflator can inflate a tire up to 150 psi. Psi is the unit. Now if you want to change the unit, see, you can change it to different units if you want. I'll show you how to do it. Now see, there are different modes to it as well. Just give me a moment, I'll show you. See, as you can see, this is the bicycle mode right now. Then you have the bike mode, then the car mode, and then you have the custom mode. Also guys, you can see what is this in the custom mode. Like this is the 48 psi unit is selected. Now say you want to go ahead and inflate it to 50 psi unit. So there is a plus sign, you need to press on this. See, 50. Once you done that, you just need to press this power button. You can hear a noise guys. This is the sound that you hear. This thing is vibrating, air is blowing from here. Now again, if you trip it, it will stop. Now I have not connected it to any tires, so I can't show it to you. Now this are the different light modes guys. See, this is a torch, this is a blinking mode, and you have another mode. This is an emergency light mode, red slow blinking. So these are the modes over here. Now if you want to change over here anything, see, if you want to change the unit of it's BAR, you can another unit, you need to just long press this mode button over here. See, from BAR it will change to KPA, then again long press it, it will change to kg per centimeter square. But the most commonly used one is the PSI, so I've used the PSI one. Now again, once you come to, there is a basketball mode or football tire mode. So you have the 4 modes, 1 2 3 4 plus a custom mode. Now generally what I use is I use the bike mode and the car mode. Also guys, one thing, this generally takes less than 2 to 3 minutes to inflate a full tire from 0 psi to 28 psi in a bike. In a car it takes a bit longer time. It takes within 9 minutes you will be able to reach your desired psi of 50 to 60 depending on your tire type. It will be able to do it. It takes a bit long time in cars, but in bikes it's very fast. Same with some bicycle and with footballs and basketballs. Now again, long press it guys, it will go off. One more thing guys, if you have to turn it on, long press it. I want to show you something. Can you see over here? You can see the battery percentage. It will also denote the amount of battery it's there, so you can see it. So once you give it on charge, you will be able to see how much battery is left in this. Again, long press it, it's off. It's quite heavy. I can hold it, and I can tell you it's more heavier than a say a 10,000 to 20,000 mAh power bank as well. But again, it's a portable inflator. It has battery inside it. It has to be heavy guys. Okay, welcome back guys. So by now, if you're watching the video guys, I hope you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Let's review with Krish. If you have not guys, pause the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's review with Krish. Here is the social media handle, Instagram and Facebook. You can follow us over there also for more product reviews like this. If you have any question guys, if you have any suggestion, do comment us, do reach out to us on our DMs and let us know. So by now guys, you have looked into the unboxing of the product, you have looked into what are the contents we are getting with the product. So guys, why this product is very important? The reason is because see, what happens is if there is a puncture and if you are going on a ride, you can use this and there's no puncture shop nearby or tire repair shop nearby. You can just use this to fill your air, and if you have a puncture kit, you can just go ahead and repair your puncture. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to take stress out of it. At night you need to go and you see your bike don't have any air, you can use this to check it. Now another important feature of this is guys, let me tell you, this one has an auto shutdown feature. That means if you are going ahead and if you are filling your desired PSI and after the machine stops filling it up and reaches the desired PSI unit, the machine will automatically shut down to save battery. Another key feature, let me tell you, in this which is there, you can go ahead and auto detect once you connect the nozzle with the tire. The device, once it's turned on, will auto detect the amount of air that is already present in the tire. Then accordingly you can set up your desired PSI and you can fill the air. These are some of the key features that is there that you need to keep in mind. It's handy, it's easy to carry, and I think because I think it's a very important product. Nowadays we all should have this product as a backup. So with that guys, we come to this end of this video. Now whether you should buy this product or not, first thing guys, as I told you, you understood why we need to purchase it. We need to go for this product and not the Vayu 3, because it's, first of all, battery capacity is more, its functionality is much better. So if you ask me in terms of price, how much would I give this? I would give it a score of 4 out of 5. In terms of practicality, use, I will give it a let me give it a 4 as well, 4.2 to 4.3 as well. Now, is it a value for money product or not? Honestly speaking guys, there are other inflators also and the price keeps on varying for this. Some are 2200, 2300, 2600, 1600, but this product, it costs 2000. I'm okay with it. I've got a deal at 1899. If there's a discount sale or bank, you might also get it for 1700. So yes guys, for me it's a thumbs up. You can go for this product. It's a very good product. You can go with it. Now one more thing guys, at the starting of the video I told you there will be important pointers, there is going to be important giveaways that I'm going to tell you. So one more thing, the size of this product and the weight is much heavier and much bigger than Portronics 3. Let me tell you guys, I have purchased Portronics 3. I've gone for Cubo Smart Tire Inflator, I've used Agaro Tire Inflator, both the versions, and I have also tried this one, but for me this one is way better. Now one more thing guys, there are few important things I would like to tell you about this product, or rather any digital or about any portable tire inflator. Number one, see for example, if you're going to a local pump, air pump or petrol pump where you need to fill your air. If you are filling up your normal air, what we see a recommended PSI that is given to us by the company of the bike or the car that we are driving. Say for example, mostly in bikes, it's in the front wheel, it's 28 psi and 36 in the back wheel. So now if you're filling it up from the local shop, you have to give it, you have to they select a 28 psi and 36 psi. That's perfect. Now when you will be using a portable power inflator, portable tire inflator, keep in mind guys, hear me out guys very carefully, you have to give 36 in the front wheel, 36, and in the back wheel if you give 36, then you have to give 44. So basically you have to add 8 units extra if you're using a portable power tire inflator to fill air in your tire. Whatever psi unit you want to fill up, if you're filling it up from a normal pump station, if it's 30 psi, if you generally fill it from your normal station, then if you want to use this to fill it up, you have to give it plus 8 more. That means if you have to do 38 psi unit, you have to fill it up. Now pointer number 2, very important, whatever unit you fill up the psi, add 2 units extra all the time. Now what do I mean by that? Say you want to fill up 36 psi of air in your front wheel, go ahead and select 38 units of psi while you're filling up your front wheel. Why 2 units more, you may ask? I'll tell you guys, because when you will connect this nozzle with the tire, there will be a certain amount of air that will gush out while you're connecting this and while you're removing this as well from your tire. So the best thing is, if you want to fill in 36 units psi unit of air in this through this, then select 38 to 39 psi, because by the time you connect this, you remove this, your 36 is going to reduce down to 32. So it's better you add up 2 or 4 units more, so that the air that gets removed in the process of opening and closing is balanced and you have 36. That's it guys from my end today. These 2 are very important pointers which I had to figure it out, discover. No one told me, no, I have checked YouTube, no person has reviewed this and told you these 2 pointers. These 2 are very important pointers guys, or else what will happen is, you may fill this air, you may fill 28 as you fill it in your local shop. Now after filling up 28 psi through this, if you go to the local shop and you measure it, you will see that you will have less air. You will not have 28, you will end up having 18, 20, 22, because the device is different. That is why. So with that guys, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. It will help you to make your decision easier in your buying process. Still, if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, do reach out to us guys and we will let you know about the same. We will try to help you out with your questions, with your queries. Subscribe to us guys. If you have watched the video till now, I'm sure that you have gained something informative, and that's why you have been watching. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's review with Krish. Until next time, stay healthy. Thank you guys.